Good morning. It's April 29th at about 8:15 a.m. I'm going to do a shingle repair at 2822 North 32nd Place. And already when lifting up on these shingles, you're starting to create a little bit of damage right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll get a close up. So you want to just get underneath it very gently. Wiggle up. And right here, because they're so stiff, already creating a little bit of damage. So we're going to loosen up the bottom one. Let's get it up from the top so we can pull those nails out. And then I'll try to slide this one out from underneath it. All without breaking the shingle. If you can see these, but these nails are right underneath this ridge. I'm lifting them up. I have to get my hammer underneath there in order to pull those nails up, which in turn is going to bend the shingle. This is something I'm going to try to avoid. There. Break. Right up there on that ridge. Making it. Already. at this point, it's ripping the shingle trying to pull it out from that nail up top. I have to get my hammer underneath it to pull the nails, and it's causing too much stress on the actual shingle. See this. So you kind of come along this line where I have to pull it, and it rips it from that nail. Not really plausible to replace one shingles on these roofs without creating some sort of damage. You'll see it. I got it. Let me revert. You guys a longer look. So this is taking the shingle out all up along this ridge, and then it okay, so now we're gonna put it back in. Shingle repairs take 1 1/4 nails, so we're gonna use 4 of these across the top. So when I hammer these back in, I need to be able to lift that top shingle all the way up and get my hammer up under there. And at this point, it's creating more damage up top. I wouldn't feel comfortable taking any more shingles off this roof by hand. Or at least one by one. First one, so I gotta bend this up in order to get my hammer under there to get a decent strike. All of this is going to create damage on this top shingle. that a little bit better. And then we'll do one more, just put it in. Make sure it stays. Lift this guy up. And see, as I lift these, it's tearing these top shingles. Let me turn this around. Alright, so there is full replacement. As you can see, get some up close ones. So it just creates some tearing and creases along the top anytime I try to go in there and remove it and remove some nails and then place it back in. So that will conclude the shingle replacement at 2822 North 32nd Place, April 29th at about 8:30 a.m.